Alright folks, I'm going to show you real quick. If you drive a Ford van and your blower motor doesn't work on nothing but high, I'm going to show you how to fix it. You see there's no low, no medium, it's just high. What you need to get you is a resistor. And I'm going to take you outside and show you what that is. Hang on just a second. What you're going to have to do is take your battery out. See that piece right there? That's what you're going to need to change. Just unplug it. Got 2 bolts you take out, and it should work. So I'm going to do that real quick. Alright, you can see I took the battery out and the battery tray. And that right there is what we're changing. So I unplug that. Let me be careful so I don't break it. Alright, as you can see, I got the old resistor out. Just a plug and 2 bolts. We're going to put the new one in. Now you can see the difference. There's the old one, and there's the new one. See that spring it's stretched out right there? It's supposed to look like that. Alright, I got the new resistor in there. Now I gotta just put the battery tray in and the battery, and we'll test it out and see if that's fixed it. Alright, I'm pretty positive that was the problem. Let me get the old resistor out. If you'll look how corroded and nasty that thing is. See how that spring is stretched? So we're fixing to find out if I fixed it. When I turned the key on, remember all we had was high. We didn't have low or none of the mediums. So we'll see what happens. Oh. I hear the fan. Yes. I'm gonna try to be quiet so you can hear it. That one's working. That one's working. High's working. Low, medium, that one there doesn't seem to do nothing, but I think that's my switch, because the switch is pretty sloppy. I hear the fan blowing there, speeds up there. That one really don't do nothing, but I think it's just a switch. And then we got high. So it worked. So that's how you do it. If you drive a Ford E-Series van, whether it be 150, 250, or 350, they all use this right here. Check the resistor. If all you have is high, check the resistor before you go buying a switch or a fan. Alright, there you go folks. See you next time.